This is the cross-shaped lamp is made and hand-carved in Pakistan with natural Himalayan crystal salt. If you can see, just look at the finishing, which is done so perfectly, and the cuts are done with a perfection. And I'm just showing you the bottom, which is hollowed to allow space here to fit the bulb in it, and it is the wooden. It is done with wooden base, and I'm just opening the packaging for you to show you the perfect piece, so the clear image of it. So while opening, just let me add one thing here, that it helps illuminate your room with a warm and pleasant and relaxing amber glow, so which is the perfect and the best part of it. So if you see, just look at the color and the clear surface of this lamp. This is so beautiful, and it is a perfect piece for the decoration. It is a perfect choice as decorations and gift for friends' wedding and for holidays, birthdays, graduations, and thank yous. It is a nice craft that fits with any decor.